Heroic has made it to where I know who I am. I'm a better person. I'm a better man. I'm a better father. I'm a better partner. I am better as a colleague at work. In whatever it is that I do, energy, work, and love, I'm better. My name is Octavio Lorenzo. I've been following Heroic for about 8 years. So I started listening to Brian in about 2017, roughly. I was a practicing Stoic for a couple of years previously, and Ryan Holiday got me turned on to Brian. So I started listening to the podcast every day driving, and I would just go back. By the time I discovered him, he had several hundred podcasts of plus ones and whatever other material, so I would just start listening. I took it just really seriously, and I was all in. I'd wake up at 5:30, I'd listen to whatever videos I had to listen to, I'd read the material, I'd listen to it some more, I read it again, I took notes, whatever it took, I was bound and determined to do it because I was fixing me. And the difference that it's made for me is astonishing. Confident isn't the right word. I'm more serene. I'm more self-assured. I communicate. I know how to communicate. Heroic is different because there are a lot of programs that I think give you some information, but then there's no follow-through. There aren't tools. We've got the most phenomenal human development, self-development application in the world. And the difference is that the tools work. This is ancient wisdom, modern science with practical tools that truly work. That when you pick them up, ready at hand, in the app, you can use them to change something in your life. Right now, you can think of one thing, for example. You say, what do I need to start doing? And what do I need to stop doing? Pretty easy questions, right? And most of us know. There are 101s that are usually an hour plus on everything from public speaking 101 to beating cancer to leadership 101. And you can do it in whatever time you have. You've got 5 minutes a day, perfect. Get on the app. You set your goals for the day, but the result has been remarkable. And I just can't imagine my life without Heroic and my excitement for the future on other relationships and my coaching practice and how I'll continue to use those tools. Tools that really work every single day, day in, day out, moment to moment to moment, to be my very best. I spent 6 years in the Navy and I never got a tattoo. Went to tattoo parlors with friends. That was 42 years ago. I'm 62. Last year, I got my Heroic tattoo. And the reason I got it is because I believe in the program. I believe in Heroic. I'm all in. What Heroic brings you is the ability to deal with life on life's terms. I've lived a great life. I know that the people in my life love me and I love them. And I've been the person that I dreamed of being. I'm no longer that person from 20 years ago. Heroic is why. And I'm not exaggerating. They gain the rest of their lives. They gain the ability to be in control of their lives. Far too often we feel like, I don't have control. This commitment, this thing going on, work, I don't get enough rest. Life is just a treadmill. It feels horrible. I'm not happy. My relationships suck. I've gained weight. Whatever the case, what they have to gain is simply their own lives. That's it. I think for anybody on the fence, the beauty of the program is that it works for whoever you are and however you are in the world. We never hit the ball if we don't swing. If you're on the fence, if you're thinking, will that work for me? Are you alive? Are you a human being? It'll work for you. You too can be heroic. You too can be your best. But you've got to try. Take that first step. That's all. Take the first step, and then the other, and then the other. Because if life is not great right now for you, doesn't mean it's perfect. Life's not perfect for me. But I know I've trained for this. Whatever's next, whatever happens, I've trained for that. I'm ready. Heroic can do that for you too.